Just made a video showing how to fix certain stuff on this Penguin build. It's over on my Rumble channel. The link is in the video description under the word Uncut. So this is a theme by one of the Doomsday team. I can't remember who exactly, but this is called the Batman theme. And on this theme, the build called the Penguin has been built on it. So it looks unique, it looks different. There are a handful of builds that use this skin, but I just sort of showed you guys how to sort of change how to relink a widget and how to install and update a few add-ons. I don't think that much needs changing and updating on this build, but it's always good to know. Or if you have a build, it's good to try and tweak it, change it to sort of suit yourself, suit what you use Kodi for.